On August 4th, a devastating chemical explosion in Lebanon's capital Beirut shook the world. In India, conversations suddenly erupted about a chemical named ammonium nitrate, a volatile substance that was responsible for this blast. And a day later, residents of Chennai and Visakhapatnam were shocked to find that large quantities of this chemical was present in their cities. In Chennai, a container freight station controlled by the Customs Department was storing 740 tons of ammonium nitrate for close to 5 years. So why was the Customs Department storing this chemical for so long? When we probed further, what we found was that a bureaucratic and legal tussle had led to the continued storage of ammonium nitrate. The company that owned this chemical took the Customs Department to court, and this case went on till November 2019. Until this time, Customs just allowed the chemical to be there in storage and did not move it to any other safer place. But when reports revealed that this large quantity of ammonium nitrate was present in the city, Customs claimed two things. First, they said that the stockpile was stored very safely. And second, they said that the nearest human settlement was 2 kilometers away. Both these claims were false. The Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board found that the nearest human settlements to this particular storage unit was 700 meters to the north, which is Manali town, and 1500 meters to the east, which is the Sadayankuppam village. The population of both these areas together is 12,000. Moreover, sources in the Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization tell the News Minute that the Customs Department was given multiple warnings to move this ammonium nitrate. This is what the PESO official told us.
The place where the ammonium nitrate is currently stored is not a licensed magazine. It is a cargo storage yard. A magazine license means that it is a storage unit where you keep only explosives and no other materials. We have written to Customs multiple times saying that the material has to be isolated and that it needs a separate guard.
PESO gave the Customs Department two options. Either you manage to auction off this material in the next 2 days, or you move it to an isolated and licensed area. What followed was the Customs Department managed to find a buyer, and a portion of the ammonium nitrate was already shifted to Hyderabad on Sunday. The rest of it is expected to leave the city by Tuesday night. In Visakhapatnam, meanwhile, the Pollution Control Board has issued a show-cause notice to Shravan Shipping Services for storing 18,800 metric ton of the chemical in their godown. The company has blatantly violated fire safety norms and stored an explosive-grade chemical in high quantities. However, instead of addressing the problem at hand, what followed was a blame game between authorities. The Pollution Control Board, port authorities and PESO began pointing fingers at each other, each shrugging off responsibility for the safe storage of this chemical. Ammonium nitrate by itself is not explosive, but when you add detonators and fuel to this mix, it could become dangerous. In fact, this chemical has been used in terror attacks across the country, from the Hyderabad blast in 2017 to the Pulwama attack in 2019. And not addressing this problem right away will prove to be potentially dangerous for residents who are living close to these storage units. It is time for us to learn a lesson from what happened in Beirut and ensure safe storage of ammonium nitrate. Reporting for the News Minute, this is Priyanka Tirumurthy from Chennai.